number 3. Your next. Candidate number 4.
Aray, tanay. Kasi yan. Pwede mo lapigan.
Baila what you want, dance for you, I swear, stay all night with you. Baila, come a day closer to you, Three, two, one. Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba.
Next up goes out to Polka. Ha! Beautiful. 175. Level, 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 level. Ikaw ang aking level, 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 level. Ikaw ang aking level, 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 level. Ikaw ay Filipino. Hoy, pare, pakinggan niyo ako. Ito na ang tunay na Pilipino. Ready people not warning some a splinter. Beat up mad gal in a real life nothing. When the things start to come like a sprinter. Hotter than lava anytime even in winter. Let me see how you a bad body. Baby when you sit down for it, get me in a that blood. Let me see how you a bad body. Fuck it when you suck it up, you get me in a that blood. So mad gal when you put it. Hey, it's happy for you a murder. Me love it when you twist and turn up. I don't love a my girl, you a burner. And my side, yeah, you me never ever hurt. All of my girls like dance to the kitty, and put up your back up. Really like no girl can't tell me about my mother. We gonna learn another. Them sit down for the real done dada. Put money in a pocket, my bone in the cover. No boy can't diss me or my mother. Round here, things like everybody.
Sinusukan ng clearance pamangkin niya. Ilaw. Kaya si